Today I'm going to show you how you can withdraw all of your cash from Prolific Surveys or Prolific Academy. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to go onto the Prolific website. So first of all, what you need to do is log into your account, and then you need to go up here and click on balance. And as you can see, I have £10.22 in my bank account. And what you need to do is click transfer money. It is super simple. And then you can just read here. Your mail address should be up here, your PayPal mail address. And down here you can see that the money will be sent Tuesday or Friday afternoon, usually before 4 o'clock. You can only send it to your PayPal account. And when you have read all this, you just need to click on transfer money, and then boom, cash out successfully. So I cannot show you directly if this actually goes through before in a couple days. Today's Wednesday, but what I can do is show you how they have sent me before. They have sent me on 23 of April 2021, so 2 years ago. They sent me £6 to my PayPal account that I can spend on whatever, really. But that's really how it goes. It's gonna take a couple days to withdraw your money, but your money should go out to your PayPal account. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section and I'll try my best to answer them.